all know the frustration when you buy some delicious fruit and then you come back home to find a swarm of fruit flies all over. Today, we are going to go over how to make a fruit fly trap in under 1 minute with things that you already have at home. So we've all been there, where we go to the grocery store, we find some delicious fruit that we want to eat, get really excited to bring it home and eat it, and then as it's sitting there, we notice that some little flies start to fly around. We really want the fruit, but we do not want to have little flies flying around all over the house that cause a nuisance for an extended period of time. The uncomfortable truth is that almost all fruit, when you purchase it, does have fruit fly eggs in it somewhere. You can wash fruit and try to get it off, but that doesn't always work. So what we're going to jump into are using a few things that you already have at home so that you can create a trap to prevent any sort of infestation getting out of hand, so you can bring your delicious fruit home and not have to deal with a fruit fly infestation. Now, before we start, if you want to prevent ever having a fruit fly infestation, check out some of our other videos where we talk about how to prevent having them in the first place. But seeing as we're already dealing with the fruit fly issue, let's jump in on how to build the trap. What do we need? We need some cling wrap. We need a glass, a jar, a cup, anything will do. We need our bait, which is apple cider vinegar. And then we need a tool to be able to poke some holes through the plastic wrap. You can use a pencil, you can use a paper clip, a toothpick, a knife, anything works. So whatever you have at home, that will do. So let's jump in on how to build it. Start off by getting your apple cider vinegar. And you don't need too much, you just want enough to coat the bottom of the glass, cup, or jar, whatever you're using, so the scent will be there to attract these flies in. Then you want to grab some cling wrap. Cover the cup completely with it and try to make the top very tight as possible. Seal that down, and then you want to grab your device to poke some holes in. Generally speaking, I do 12 holes. There is not a right or wrong. You can do less, you can do more, and you can experiment. If you've done more holes or use something different, throw it in the comments so we can take a look. Once you've done this, you're good to go. Your trap is ready. Now that we have our nice fruit fly trap ready to go, let's talk about how you want to place it. You want to have these traps as close as you can to any sort of fruit that is causing the fruit flies to hatch off of them. You can do it right on the plate or box or whatever receptacle they may be using. You can put it beside, but you want to have it as close as possible. The apple cider vinegar has a strong odor, so you want them to have the shortest travel path going from the fruit looking to get to the vinegar. They fly into these holes, they get stuck inside, and they cannot fly out the way that the wings open up. You can also do multiple traps. You can put multiple traps around the same area. You can use multiple traps all throughout different spots in your kitchen or spot where you're having the issue. And now once these are placed, the best part of it is you set it and forget it, and you can just have a nice, healthy shot of apple cider vinegar for yourself. Let us know in the comments if you have any tips or if you've tried this at home. All right, and just to do a quick recap of what we went over today. The challenge of bringing delicious food home, but then getting a fruit fly infestation. The tools at home that you probably already have that you can use to build a fruit fly trap. The steps on how to actually build the trap and how simple it is. And the proper placement for the traps or using multiple traps. And the last thing is that you can drink the apple cider vinegar as a little bonus.